If you're a contractor, handyman, or trade person looking to just level up and get their general contractor license and finally take control of your income, then I want you to stop scrolling because this message is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what it takes to become a licensed general contractor, including what a GC actually does and how to use your IRC Codebook. Also, how to break down questions on your exam and how our course and our mobile app will help you stay on track and pass with confidence. I want to welcome you to the General Contractor Exam Prep course. And this course was built for people just like you, which are hardworking, skilled, and ready to go from labor to leadership. What is a general contractor? Well, a general contractor or a GC is the one who runs the job, all right? It's the person who makes sure that the work's done on time, on budget, and to the code. You will be managing subcontractors, scheduling inspections, pulling permits, and also protecting your clients and your business. So you're the quarterback of the entire project. What is code? Code is just the rule book. We're using the 2018 International Code, which is the IRC. And yes, the test is open book. So that means you don't have to memorize everything, but you do have to know how to find the answers fast. How to break down exam questions. Here's how you win on these tests. 1, you read the question twice. 2, you circle the keywords like handrail height or setback distance. 3, use the index to find where to go in the IRC. And number 4, match the topic to the right chapter. Stairs, try chapter 3. Foundations, chapter 4. So this test is all about knowing where to look, not knowing everything. So this is just a reminder for your orientation checklist. Complete these today. Let's get you locked in. So step 1, download the app to the Contractor Envy group app. 2, join the GC prep course that's inside the app. 3, explore the lessons, quizzes, and our live class schedule. And step 4, introduce yourself to the group and complete your profile. Why? Because we want people to know about you, and I know you want to meet the other students so you can network just like all of us. All right? So complete your profile. That means fill out all the questions, and hey, tell everybody what you do and what you're proud of doing and who you are. So using your group app, this app works from your phone or from your laptop. You can watch your lessons on the go, take the quizzes from the job site, and connect with your instructor, me, or other students. You'll get weekly tasks, so watch for the assigned lessons. I want you to take all the quizzes that you're assigned and show up for the Q&A call. And then also ask questions and stay active. Because if you don't ask, we don't know if you're going to need help or not. So the best thing to do, or the worst thing you can do, is not ask questions, right? Because I want to hold you accountable, but I want you to hold me accountable too on helping you accomplish this goal of getting your general contractor license. So what does it take to pass your general contractor license exam? Well, here's how you pass. First, you need to know how to use the IRC or the IBC. Practice finding the keywords. Take all the quizzes. I want you to show up weekly and ask questions if you're stuck, because consistency is key. And we made this to make it simple. So if you're not going to follow the mastery steps and follow the process or program that we put in place, you're not going to pass. So it's simple. Follow these steps and you will get your general contractor's license. So you're not just preparing for a test. You're preparing to run your own projects and finally become the one in charge. If you follow these steps in our course and participate every week and use the tools that we provide, you will become a licensed general contractor. So let's get to work, and I want you to do what you do best and nail it.